In this video, we'll see how to remove the background and green screen from a video, and we can use another background for that video. To do that, I have some clips here, so I will bring down one clip to my timeline. You can see here a bird which is flying, and there is a blue sky. So first, to remove the background in auto features, which is the best feature here in CapCut, we have to click here auto removal. As soon as the video clip is selected and I will click on it, it will start the procedure auto removal. Now I will click it on auto removal. So here you can see the process started and it's done. The background is removed. See how fast it is. It's depending on the size of the video. So now when I play it, it's just playing in black background. Next step, which background we want, I will bring that background to the timeline. Click here, I bring this to the timeline. I will expand it until my clip is. Now you see we cannot see the bird because the background is in top of the actual video. So I have to drag it up and I have to bring this image down. I will delete this background simply and I will bring another background. So in this case, here is another video which I will bring. So it's not the image, it's a video. I will split this video. And now see in this video actually there are another birds. Now the next thing is we'll see how to remove the green screen from a video. So likewise, I will take this green screen to my timeline, which I have for this video. Okay. And then as soon as I bring here, select the video clip, and here you can see first I selected this auto removal. Now I'm going to select this chroma key option. Click on it and then click on the green screen. Immediately it removed my green screen. Then here in the intensity, I can go furthermore to remove it completely, or I can leave it as by default. You can play with it. So if it is some parts is still visible, then you can increase this option. Clip is already selected and we can scale it from here, or we can just select and scale it from here as well. Then I will put it here somewhere at the end. And now once again I play this. Now you can see you can export this as a video file. Click on the export button here, and then we can select the export setting here, which I will explain it later on as well. Then select it, and codec, basically I'm going with default setting only. I'm considering the 1080, which is full HD option, and MP4. Here frame rate also you can increase or decrease. So 30 fps is enough for this explanation. And click on export. Because the size is less, it's immediately exported. Now we'll see our video. So this is the video. I'll open it. Now you can see the video is playing. This just 7-second video. Thank you.